Gonna be doing this 2009 2500 Dodge Ram today, doing a new head unit and backup camera. This is the stock head unit. He has the factory navigation, wood grain and silver bezel. So we're going to try to incorporate still using that, using the metric kit right here. Step one on doing this installation is you're going to basically unsnap this dash. This whole bezel piece is going to come off. So you want to get behind here, use a plastic pry tool and just pry it behind there, and you're going to pull this whole entire bezel off. When you get this bezel unsnapped off, you're going to remove and unplug all of these harnesses off of this bezel so you can remove it. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. What you'll want to do next is take out the 4 screws, 2 on each side, and then pull this out. And now I've already unplugged all these, but you're going to want to unplug all the harnesses on the back. And these are all your harnesses right here. So basically these are your 2 main harnesses here. You're going to have your antenna right here, and then you're also going to have your navigation antenna here. These are the parts we're going to be using: a DMX 4707S, a 996510. We're going to be using this CH11A RSX pack audio wiring harness, and a ADCR1 antenna adapter. Okay, so we have this all wired up. We Tessa taped all this. These are standard colors just for the Infinity. You have green, your grays, your purples, and your whites. Those are normal if anybody knows how to hook this up. You are going to have your yellow to your 2 yellows. You're going to have your red to your red. Now my mint green here is also connected to my ground because it's a KENWOOD radio. That's how you ground the parking brake. On the other side over here, you're going to have your parking brake, which is connected in. This is the part for the steering wheel module on a KENWOOD. Otherwise, you plug in the 3.5mm jack, but KENWOODs use this blue with the yellow stripe for the steering wheel controls. You're also going to hook up your blue with the white stripe to your remote so that way it turns on the amplifier, because this actually has Infinity. That's pretty much all the wires you're going to need. Now, we ran a rear view camera, so we plugged it into the camera input, plugged in our 2 main harnesses. This is our antenna, which is your 40CR10 plugs into right there. And this is our mic input for our Bluetooth mic. That's pretty much all you're going to need. You want to make sure, step 1, before you plug all this stuff in, you want to set this dial to know what number you have. Now, I'm a 3 because I'm KENWOOD. Every brand is specific. So you want to do that first before you plug everything in and turn it all on, because if not, it will screw everything up because this is already preloaded. That's pretty much all you have to do on the wiring. As far as the dash kit, it mounts very simple. 2 on the side, front fascia, and then it just mounts in. Very simple to do. Okay, radio is mounted. Got all 4 of our screws in, 2 on each side. Now we're going to put the dash piece back on, plug all these bad boys back in. All installed. Looking really nice. Looks super clean. Everything's all installed. I put it in reverse. Rear view camera works. Looking really good. Everything fits and looks OEM. Super nice and super clean.